Hey guys, this is Kane Video Studio, and this is part 2 of the HTML formatting series. In this episode, I'm talking about the abbreviation tag and the definition tag. I'm giving these a whole section to themselves because they can really help the browser understand what you're talking about. So you want to use these if it pertains to your type of website. Alright, so the first tag I'm going to be talking about is the abbreviation tag, which is abbr. And this defines an abbreviation or an acronym. The syntax for the abbreviation tag is fairly simple. You open the abbreviation tag. Inside of the opening tag, you put in the title attribute, and then you set that equal to whatever the abbreviation stands for. So this is going to be World Wide Web. And don't forget to add the quotation marks. And then we're going to close this. Put www, and then back over here we're going to close the abbreviation tag, and that's the syntax for the abbreviation tag. Now I'm going to start talking about the definition tag. This represents the defining instance of a term in HTML. The nearest parent to the definition tag, and if you don't know what a parent is, it's basically the tag that holds the definition tag. So if you have a paragraph tag, and then you have a definition tag, and then you close the definition tag. And this is not the syntax, I'm just showing you what a parent is. So you have that. The P is the parent to the definition tag. The nearest parent of the definition tag must also contain the definition or explanation for the term inside the definition tag. The syntax for the definition term varies. There are 3 main parts that I'm going to talk about here. The first is usually the context of the definition tag without a title attribute. And this is done by opening the paragraph tag, opening the definition tag, putting in the term, closing the definition tag, and then writing out the definition. The second is the title attribute of the second is by using the title attribute of the definition tag. Now this is done by opening the paragraph tag, then opening the definition tag, but inside the opening definition tag you add the title attribute and you make it equal to the full term that this is describing, and then you put the actual term, then you close the definition tag, and then you write out the definition, and then you close the paragraph tag. The title attribute is good for when you're describing what a acronym or an abbreviation is, like the actual definition of the full thing. Because in the title attribute you can put out what the abbreviation or acronym means, and then you can put the abbreviation inside the definition tag itself. The third syntax is by actually putting a abbreviation tag inside of the definition tag. The syntax for this is opening the paragraph tag, opening the definition tag, opening the abbreviation tag, and inside the abbreviation tag you set the title attribute to whatever the abbreviation is that you're going to be putting. And then you put the term, then you close the abbreviation tag, then you close the definition tag, then you write out the definition, then you close the paragraph tag. And last of all, the default CSS for the definition is changing the font style attribute to italic. If you want some specific information about anything I talked about in this video or any of my other videos, leave it in the comments and I will get back to you on that. And while you're here, go ahead and hit subscribe.